What's up, babes? So jumping right into the video with one of my favorite hair companies. If you don't know, now you know. Myfirstwig is a beginner's go-to. So of course, you guys know I was excited to bring you this new look. I'm going to actually be looking at their V part. This unit actually comes with lace. You guys can see this cap is adjustable. There are plenty of combs and clips. If you decide that you do not want to leave out hair, you absolutely can do that. And of course, if you are going to be like me and you kind of want that minimum no leave out look, then definitely this video will be for you. So today I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. Y'all know my hair is so just like it does what it wants to do. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the liquid glass by Dry Bar just to kind of act as like a way to silk out my hair, keep it nice and hydrated. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and use the Pattern Beauty heat protectant, because y'all know my hair is easily heat damaged. No matter what I do, the moment I put a blow dryer to it, the curls are doing something else, okay, which I'm fine with. So I just had recently got a trim, so I figured this would be the perfect time to go ahead and just show you this V part leave out. So of course, just to go ahead and kind of prep my hair, you guys will kind of see I'm just going through with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that everything is pretty much detangled. I want to really be able to kind of blow this out with no trouble at all. You guys will see that the way that I do this is to kind of section out my hair just so that I can do one thing at a time. Back in the day, you would see me raking through my hair with the blow dryer, trying to get it done. And y'all, okay, we want to make sure that the hair is stretched appropriately and we are not over or applying just too much heat in areas that we don't need, right? So you don't want to strain your hair too much. You guys, I don't know if I keep debating on if I'm going to post a video about the micro links. It's so annoying, like the process and how it kind of just took away from the quality of my hair. But I'm trying my best to kind of really think that out. Like, do I want to talk about it? Do I not? Y'all let me know if you guys would really like an update, because it did change the density in my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell from here, but it looks good, looks thick, looks healthy, but it was definitely a little bit longer, thicker, and all of that. So just let me know if you want to post it. I've been debating for a minute about it. Anywho, I'm going to go ahead and pretty much just section off my hair. You guys will see I'm literally taking about the width of this comb as my leave out. That is just to show you how much this V part should be able to, you know, pretty much give us the illusion that we have a sew-in, a quick weave. We have just gotten a silk press. And for me, this is going to be the most protective style, because you guys can see I literally have nothing out. All right, by nothing, obviously there's something, but just about a pencil width of leave out. Obviously, I'm just going to take out a little bit on the sides to be able to kind of blend everything. And then y'all know, if you don't want to do super intricate braids, because this is something you're just going to kind of throw on and go, definitely feel free to do the 2 little cornrows. We'll tie those babies up and you guys should be good to go. Now, if your hair is a little bit thicker than mine, longer than mine, you may want to take the time to do smaller braids just so that you are really able to get one of the flattest installs. You don't want a lumpy, humpy style, especially if you're going to be wearing this straight. Now, obviously, all the details for the hair will be listed down in my description box below, but in case you guys are just kind of like, Chrissy, what is it? Okay, the unit that I'm wearing is actually a 16-inch. Like I said, this is a V part, which is much different than a U part, because the V part allows for you to take even less hair out without having to fill in the space of that U. So the V, for whatever reason, just blends a lot better. Of course, you get that lace trimming the entire edges of the wig, which does help with blending. So if you are somebody that has really short hair, you shouldn't have to worry too much. Once you're happy with the way that everything looks, you guys know that they sent you the right wig. You want to go ahead and just kind of cut that little V part area, and you guys will see that they have the clip-in. So I really like this as opposed to the clips or just the combs, because instead of it just kind of sitting in the hair, it actually stays in place. So you don't have to worry about it sliding down, it causing too much tension. Literally, it is going to act like a clip-in. The entire wig is adjustable. The entire wig does have combs all the way around the back, the sides, all that good stuff. So all that you're left to do is pretty much blend out whatever you have left out. Like I said, if you decide that you don't want to do it, you will end up getting a wig that kind of looks more like, I don't know if you guys remember those invisible parts, but that's kind of the vibe we're going for. So I decided, instead of leaving this unit as it came, because it did come with like that 90s kind of like layered bang look, I wanted to just kind of give it a more uniform shape. So y'all know I did go ahead and just kind of add a little bit more layers. I wanted to make sure that everything is nice and even, so I did go ahead and just kind of trim that off because I think that it helps the hair look a little bit fuller and it's just more believable as well. So I went ahead and just kind of bumped the end using my FHI 2-inch flat iron. Y'all, this has been with me since the start of my YouTube career, so shout out FHI because it's going strong, okay? You guys can just kind of look at the blend. I have not done anything additional. So far, so good, okay? The hair color is actually just a natural brown. You guys can see it's blending in with my hair really, really well. And every now and then, I'll go ahead and do like a black rinse. I decided not to do this because I really wanted to make sure that everything looks as natural as possible. So I went ahead and just pretty much took some edge control. In case you guys are wondering what I'm using, it is the Cream of Nature. This is just their argan oil. It's like their standard hold, and I just lightly use that to kind of tame the edges just a tiny bit, nothing too structured. And then of course just brush everything in. You should pretty much be good from here. But yeah, you don't have to go crazy unless you are really wanting your edges to be super styled. I just wanted this to kind of look sleek, smoothed in, and definitely intentional. So you guys can already see how natural this look. It's literally giving the vibes of like a fresh silk press, but just with a lot more volume. And like I said, if you guys really want an even flatter install, you are really going to want to take the time to do smaller cornrows. For me, I didn't mind the extra kind of volume going on because of course, y'all know, I like for my hair not to look so flat. I always want for it to kind of just have that lifted, like volumized look. Not lumpy, but volumized, okay? And you guys can see it's giving that blowout. And although this is like silky hair, because I blended it with my natural hair on top, it ended up kind of looking more like a soft, yucky blend. So I definitely love that. And then I just wanted to throw some curls in here because I wasn't sure how it was going to act, but y'all can see, okay? I didn't have to do too much. Of course, I could have absolutely curled this a little bit better with the hot comb, but I'm saying the hot comb, the flat iron, but y'all, less is more. So if you are not a pro at curling, do not obsess over it. You just want a little bit of wave just to kind of give you some shape. Once you're happy with the shape, go ahead and hit it with some hairspray to keep everything in place. You guys will kind of see, I'm just kind of playing with it with the wide tooth comb, just making sure that I like it. Once I do, y'all know I'm going to go ahead and take my Frizz Ease, which I probably need to update this because I don't know of a better hairspray. I'm thinking the Sebastian. I used to love that, but here is a quick look at the final product. Absolutely love this. Overall, I was super happy with the way that everything looks. You guys can just see how natural it is. Obviously, if you do not have the time or just simply don't want to have to do a quick weave, you don't want to do the quick clip-ins, you don't want to do the sew-in, and you just want something that's going to give you that same effect in so much less time, you guys. After editing this video, I literally installed this start to finish in 1 hour, blow dry and everything. So definitely let me know what you guys think about it. As y'all know, I love y'all so much. Stay pretty. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, babies.